What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now it is the summertime, so I couldn't let the time pass without giving you guys a great summer grilled recipe. So today I'm going to be doing a grilled chicken wing recipe. I have my mom in the kitchen today. She's going to help me put this dish together. Then we're going to head out to the grill and start grilling the meat. Here are all of the ingredients that we're going to need to put this dish together today. I'm going to have all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description box down below. In our bowl of chicken wings, we also have a few chicken drumsticks that we went ahead and added in there because we had them on hand. My mom just added in some olive oil, and you want to coat it liberally with the olive oil so it doesn't stick on the grill. Then she added in a little bit of salt, and of course that's to taste. And now we're going in with some paprika. My mom loves using paprika whenever she cooks because it gives the food a nice color. And we're also going in with garlic powder. Remember, garlic makes anything better, so that's why we added in. And these two ingredients that we're going to add next, those are sort of my mom's secret ingredients. She adds in a little bit of hot sauce, and you can use any type of hot sauce you want. And if you want to go extra spicy, you can actually add in some pepper sauce. Now my mom is going in with some Italian dressing. Now this is another twist she added to the chicken. It makes the chicken more moist and it adds a great flavor. If you wanted to, you could also mess around with different flavors of dressings and add those in. They're great seasonings as well. Once you add in all of your seasonings, you can either use your bare hands to mix up the chicken, or you can use a pair of gloves like my mom is doing. It totally depends on your preferences. Once all of your seasonings are added in, and if you decide you want to use a pair of gloves or your bare hands, you're going to start mixing that chicken really well. You want to make sure to massage those pieces of chicken and get all of the seasonings nice and incorporated all around it. If the chicken has little flaps of skin on it, you want to go ahead and stick the seasoning inside the flaps of skin as well. That's just going to add great flavor and make the chicken more juicy and moist. Once you've mixed in all of those seasonings onto the chicken, you're going to set the chicken aside, and we're going to make the sauce that's going to go over the chicken that we're going to baste it with as it cooks on the grill. So into our little bowl here, we have some barbecue sauce, and you can use your favorite brand of barbecue sauce or favorite flavor of barbecue sauce. And we're also going in with a little bit of orange juice. And once you add in all of that orange juice, you want to go ahead and stir it up really well. Get it nice and incorporated with the barbecue sauce, and it's ready to use. This is a quick and simple sauce, but it is so delicious on that chicken. Once you're finished making your sauce and you go ahead and set that aside, you want to take all of your seasoned chicken and put it onto your hot grill. Now our grill has been preheating on a medium heat, and the reason why we use a medium heat when we grill chicken is because we want the outside to get nice and golden brown at a constant rate to when the chicken is cooking inside. If you left it on a high heat, the chicken might burn on the outside and still be raw on the inside, so you want to watch out for that. Once you get all of your chicken onto the grill, what you're going to do is cover the grill and leave that chicken to cook on one side for a few minutes, or just until you see some nice brown grill marks start to form on this first side. It's been 10 minutes now, so we just opened back up the grill and we're flipping all of the pieces of chicken. Now after this 10 minutes, as you guys can see, the chicken has gotten a nice deep golden and caramelized color on this one side. Now if you do not like your chicken to be charred at all, then you're going to want to keep the heat on a low heat. But since I like the chicken a little bit charred, since it is on the grill, I keep it on a medium heat while we cook it. So we're going to leave this on this side to cook for about another 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. This is what our chicken looks like after about another 8 to 10 minutes of cooking. As you guys can see, it's developed a really nice dark brown color. And at this point, it's time to start basting the chicken. So what my mom is doing is taking that orange juice and barbecue sauce mixture that we made earlier, and she's basting the first side of the chicken with it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this chicken over, and we're going to baste the other side. And we're going to allow the chicken to cook for about another 4 to 5 minutes, or just until that barbecue sauce and the orange juice mixture gets nice and caramelized all over that chicken. This is what our chicken looks like after an additional 4 to 5 minutes of cooking. As you guys can see, that orange juice and barbecue sauce mixture that we had basted the chicken with has caramelized so well all over that chicken. It's nice and sticky now, and it's because of all of the sugars in the orange juice as well as in that barbecue sauce. So my chicken has been cooking for about 30 minutes at this point, but I'm not going to give you guys an exact time value because it depends on the size of the piece of chicken you are using. So the time might be a little less or even a little more for you guys. Just want to make sure that all of your chicken is properly cooked before you serve it. Alright guys, here is the grilled chicken. It is all done and it is ready to serve. It looks so delicious. You guys can serve this with any side dish, any rice dish, pasta dish, salads. The possibilities are endless. You could even eat these by themselves. They're so great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Give this video a nice big thumbs up, and make sure to comment down below and tell me what you guys would like me to make you next. I'll see you guys in another one of my videos. Until next time guys.